We are going to learn how to load SQL Server data to ComboBox and enable autocomplete in ComboBox. In this project, I have used two ComboBox. Now let's do some setting in the ComboBox so that we can enable autocomplete. So select the ComboBox and type F4. In the autocomplete mode, there are three modes: suggest, append, and suggest append. If we select suggest, then it will select the name of the word which we type in the drop down, and if we select append, then it will suggest the name of the words in the combo box. And if we select suggest append, then it will suggest and append the combination of these two properties. I will clarify it with an example so that you can grasp the idea of this suggest, append, and suggest append. Suppose if we made the property of this combo box suggest, then it will suppose if I type I, then it will suggest the name of the words which start with I. This is known as suggest. And if I change the property of this combo box to append, then it will suggest, it will append the word in this only in this combo box. This drop down will not be shown. And if we select suggest append both, then it will be like this. It will suggest in the drop box and in the combo box. So let's change this autocomplete mode to suggest and append, and in the autocomplete source I will select the list item, means from the list of the drop down it will be selected the letters from the drop down. Now let's change the property of this second combo box. So select the second combo box and type F4, and in the drop down style there are three styles: simple, drop down, and drop down list. If you select simple, then this combo box will be converted into a simple text box. If we select drop down, then this combo box, in this combo box we can type text and we can select items from the drop down. If we select drop down list, then we can select only from the drop down. So I will select drop down list so that I will select the item only from the drop down. Now let's write the code for displaying data in the combo box. So double click on the Windows form. I will paste namespaces here using system.data.sql client and using system.configuration. These two namespaces are used for connecting SQL Server database. After this, click on the Solution Explorer, right click the references, then click on reference and select this assembly, and in the search bar type here configuration and select this system.configuration and click on OK. This system.configuration is used for connecting SQL Server database. Now I will write the code for displaying data in the combo box. So I will declare one method or function, private void load underscore data underscore combo box. This is the function name of my function name or method. In this method or function, I will paste the code for displaying data in the combo box. First, let's see my database. My database is globe and it has table called country, and these are the field ID, country name, and contents are the field of my table. Now let's try to connect this database globe. In this first line of code is for connecting SQL Server database. In this double quote, I have to write one connection string name. So click on the Solution Explorer, double click on app.config file, and in the configuration tag add a tag that is connection string, and add another tag that is add, then name equal to data underscore connection, then connection string. Then click on the Server Explorer and right click on data connection, then click on add connection and click on Sense. Make sure you select this Microsoft SQL Server or SQL Server. Then if you are using free version, then simply type /SQL Express and select the database. But I am using full version, so I will click on the drop down and select my SQL Server and change this authentication to SQL Server authentication and provide the username and password of my SQL Server. After this, I will select the database. My database is Globe, and click on test connection. OK, then click OK, then right click on the connection, then click on properties, then click on connection string, Control A, Control C, copy it and paste it over this connection string and change this password with the password of your SQL Server. Then save it. Now in the code, in the second line, I am declaring a string SQL and nulling the string, and connection cone, that is SQL connection will open, and a SQL command is here. Select country name continent from countries, which is the field of my table. So my table is country, and country name and continent are the field of my table, and country is the table name. And I am declaring SQL command and a SQL data adapter SDR, and SDR is executing CMD, this CMD command, and executing, and I am declaring CB underscore country is the name of my ComboBox. Here CB underscore country is the name of my ComboBox, and CB underscore continents is the name of my ComboBox. So I am clearing CB underscore country items and CB underscore continent items, means that the items which is already present will be cleared up, so that there will be no duplicate in the items. Then if the SQL command is executed, then a loop will be executed until and unless all the fields or all the data is embedded in this country, CB underscore country and CB underscore continent. In this 0 and 1, since it is an array, 0 here means this country name, and 1 here means continent. Since array start with 0, so it will correspond to country name, and 1 correspond to continent, and the connection will be closed. Now I have to wrap the connection string name in this double quote, so click on to the app.config file and copy this connection string name and copy it and paste it over this double quote. Now let's call this function in the form load. So simply copy this function or method and paste it over this form load. We are declaring declaring function so that we will not write this code again and again. So in the form load I have called this function or method. Now let's run the project and see whether it works or not. So type here I, so all the data is fed here, and in the drop down I have select, in this second ComboBox I can only select from drop down, but we cannot type in the type like this in the first ComboBox, so it works.